What two types of remarketing can be used on Google display ads? Okay, so remarketing can be done on display as well as video ads as well. So the first one, the first audience I would target is the website visitors, those people who have been to your website, not converted, and you can follow them up with your ads. Or you can also follow visitors who have converted but have not taken up on an upsell, or you might have a webinar, let's say, where you opt in, but then the call to action or the main call to action is to book an appointment in the calendar. So if they haven't done that, you can follow them with ads to book the appointment, and that should be the call to action, and it should then take them to a different page or to the calendar booking page where you want them to book the appointment. The other one is video viewers. For us, it is one of the biggest audience where we can leverage the power of video and YouTube. So what that means is, let's say you upload videos onto your website or onto YouTube regularly. So anyone who has viewed any of your videos, you can remarket to them with display ads as well as your video ads. Anyone who has viewed any of your video as an ad can also be remarketed to as well. So it's kind of like putting fuel on the fire, and use the power of YouTube to get yourself in front of your targeted audience at scale, and you will find that your branding and the brand awareness goes through the roof. So I would highly recommend that if you haven't started video marketing or uploading videos to YouTube, you should do that as of today. The third way to remarket is through the RLSA, which is the remarketing list for search ads. So that is remarketing on the Google page. Someone searches for a keyword, they see your ad, they click on it, they go through to your website, and then they go back to Google and start searching for that keyword again. Your ad can potentially show up. So that is also a very powerful way to remarket to your targeted audience.